Hello, it's Ralph Mahalik Jr., the low payment king at the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore. Proud, excited today to be with my buddy Aaron, one of our outstanding technicians here at the Monroe Superstore. And without these technicians and their skills and their great work ethic, we could not satisfy all of our customers. So thanks to the entire service parts and body shop team for all they do to help us satisfy customers and win awards like the Carfax Fox Awards for customer satisfaction, the CSI, SSI, Customer First Award for Excellence, etc. We could not win these awards without the outstanding work of these gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen. And this award here is the Alex Hossack Award. I worked with Alex for many decades here at the Monroe Superstore. He was an outstanding technician who cared about our team, cared about our customers, and we're proud and excited to have this award in his name. And in the last few years, winners of this award last year was Aaron Pribyl and Chuck Muto. We've also had Chuck and Everett and Andy and Jim Prine, R.I.P. Jim Prine, my buddy, our buddy, passed away of pancreatic cancer this past year. Terry Kaufman was the previous winner a couple times. Pete Paluca was another outstanding tech we had here at the Superstore for many years. And I'm proud and excited to award the Alex Hossack Award for Outstanding Service Performance to my buddy Aaron Pribyl. What do you got to say for us, man?
You know, we've got the team, need maintenance needs, service needs, anything you guys need, we'll get them back on the road as quickly as possible. It's a pleasure, you know, been here about a decade now, and we're just glad to take care of our customers and get you guys back on the road as fast as possible. Yeah.
Again, Aaron's one of the guys that is also grooming a future crop of technicians. So if you want to be an apprentice technician and join us here at the Superstore, we have a great apprenticeship program. We've taken a lot of technicians over the years, from entry level to very highly paid, highly skilled technicians. And we can do that for many of you as well. And again, whether your needs are maintenance, repairs, or recalls, come see the low payment kings at the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore so we can get you satisfied soon. All right? We're very proud and excited to be celebrating our 60th anniversary next year. Please join us. Good luck, God bless, and we'll see you soon at the Superstore. Thank you very much.